If you have the megachurch plan of CrossReference, then you gain an additional group, which is actually very useful. When we expand and we look down here, we will find the youth group. Now, a youth group entails a whole lot of activities that are very similar to the rest of the church. When you go underneath the youth group, you'll find that there are church services. If you expand church services, you'll find that there are a whole bunch of services there. And you can add them just the same as you can in the rest of the database. And the Bible studies as well are Bible study groups that are attached to the youth group. We have also specialized outreach groups, and we have specialized courses and classes that can be done within youth groups. As well, discipleship. It does make sense to continue discipleship even within the youth group because that is a big area for people to grow. So we have discipleship groups also within CrossReference, and you can go ahead and use them just the same way as you would elsewhere. This just keeps things separate so that you can understand what's going on within the youth group as opposed to what's going on within the general church body. You also have youth staff separated and volunteers as well. Now, hopefully this helps you understand how to keep your youth group separate and how to add groups, edit groups, and so on. It works just the same. If you need to take a look at the tutorial sessions on church services, Bible studies, outreaches, and discipleships, look at those sections.